I think this posting area 700 it is deriving from. I'll show you where is it. I'm just guessing. I just configured this. In the CI side, invoicing and posting document, there I configured this. Convergent invoicing, posting document, define document type. Here in 2605, I assigned invoicing process 12 and 0 COL. Oh, sorry, what was that? 0 COL. So I think this 11 and RV, it is deriving from here and passing here. Okay, this document type, maybe if I, what if I change it to from 11, I change it to something else, say 99, enter, save. Then what happens here? 0700. No, it is still 11. Okay, I think it has to be done separately. Okay, so it has to be done separately. So let me do this, revert back 11. Save. So the config is done. Now let's quickly do the end user parts. End user part is uh, quite a hefty task now. I have to run invoice two times, one for each of the CA. So first I'll run the invoice for, I'll post
Uh,
billing and invoicing for, yes.
Samudra, sorry to interrupt. Before doing this, can you show that 11 document type, like how it is? If you want to create new document type, so this information is helpful.
Yeah, you know how to create new document type. Basic functions, posting a document, document, maintain document assignment, document type and assign number range. Here 11 is created. Copy from any existing and create. Assign a number range here, single number range, and maybe assign a mask number range. That's it.
Okay.
Okay. Now let me create the normal invoice for this one. So say this is $30. Okay. So 30 bits generated, bill from 15 so this is already covered. Billing is done. Now you'll see a change in the invoicing. No change in the billing side. Invoice is I'm doing the invoice. I think it will be 18th February. Okay, invoicing document generated. Okay, so this is invoicing document. This is 119.70. Now when I go to the posting document, I think we'll get a new document. So we'll have couple of document already, one document for the invoice, one document for the discount, and I think one more document for the collective invoice. So here we'll see zero bill and zero dis we used to get it already. Now this additional document zero CBI collective bill. Okay, so for the zero bill, this is a normal document. Okay, so here the normal main and sub transactions are posted. There is no statistical key, and in the payment data there is no clearing restriction. Okay, normal invoicing document. And if you go to the uh, if you go to the header, no, not in the header, here itself, if you get inside, you will find a collective bill document being populated and the collective parent is also tagged. Okay, this is posted to the normal CA, but since this CA is tagged to a parent, the parent information is populated here, and the collective bill document is also stamped here 685. Okay, similarly second document you also go 684, also you go inside, here also you'll see collective parent. Okay, so I'll quickly record the transaction. So invoice I have done for this one second, just with Bumrah only. Okay, so this is the invoicing document. Then this is the posting doc. Two posting docs I have, including the discount. So the posting docs are 683 and 684. 683, 684. Then amount. How much is this? This is 119.70. Okay. Now you will see at the same time it will generate the collective invoice. So let me open the collective invoice. So collective document is this one. I can come from here also, get inside and double click on it. It will open the collective invoice. Okay. This is the collective invoice. It did not take the 11 number, 11 document type. I assigned 11 document type. We will see that. Now here you'll see it has taken the main transaction 0075 and 0010. It's a statistical item. S for collective bill. Okay. And this is the amount, and it will have a clearing restriction number 7. Okay. So the collective invoice of 685 is generated. 685. Oops. 685 is generated. Okay. This is for the first child. Now every time you invoice a child, a collective invoice will also be generated for the parent. Okay. So we are in which step? We are in the step of, we're in this step. Okay. So when I build the contract account, it will create a normal document, and it will create a collective invoice. Two collective invoice will be created. Okay. So I have done for this one. This one is generated. Now I'll do the second invoice. The second collective invoice will also be generated. So I'll create the second CA. I'm going to invoice it, and it will generate another collective invoice. So second I'm going to do next. Second is 300. Okay. So I'll use here, so that I want to see both. This one, this is for only Jasprit Bumrah. Now I'll do it for Jasprit Bumrah 2. Okay, so here I'll do /n SC38 RFK cubic speed sample, execute with variant Z102 bits. Here I'll replace the CA with 300. Okay, my second CA under this BP is 300. This one. Okay. Previous was $30 each. Now I'll do maybe 20. Let's go ahead with $20 each. Okay, so $20 each. Then execute. Here I don't have any scheduling and all. I can do any day. So here my bill from date and baseline date are same. So I can do any day billing. So bill today's date also I can do the billing. Billing is done. Now invoice. Okay. Again, any day I can do the invoicing because there is no scheduling. Now once I do the invoicing, it will generate the same, I mean it will accumulate the same I mean collective invoice information. It will accumulate in the same document. Okay, same document meaning in 685 itself it will accumulate the this business, I mean this customer's amount. Okay, so it was 119, say in this amount, in this invoicing run it becomes 100. So in 685 total 219.70 will be added. Okay, it will not create one more collective invoice because both the children belongs to the same parent. That's why in the same collective invoice it will accumulate the next posting. Okay, so let's validate that. This is the second invoice 700, sorry, 70061. Here put the invoice number, posting document. It will again have, it doesn't have tax, it doesn't have discount. Okay, see here the amount is less than 100, so no discount, only invoice and the collective document. Oh, it has taken a new collective document. How come it has taken a new collective document? Okay, this is new. Last time when I did, it accumulated in the 685 only. Okay, let's check that. So anyways, it has taken a new collective document. Let me first record the invoicing document, normal invoicing document, which is 686. 686. Amount is 84, 84, and it has created the collective invoice of 687. Okay, let me check. 687. So till now the normal invoicing has happened and two separate collective invoices are generated. Mm. Now this part is done. Up to here it is done. Okay, so original invoices were generated and each two separate, so here also it is showing two separate collective document, but in my previous batch it was in the same document it accumulated. Okay, anyways, so here up to here this is done. So the first step is invoice individual contract account assigned to the collective bill account. This I have done. Okay, create FICA posting for individual accounts. This is also done. So the FICA posting documents are this ones and this ones. Then create statistical FICA posting document for collective bill account. So this is also done. This ones and this ones. Okay, in the collective document what will it have? A statistical posting document is created automatically for the collective bill account. It is mentioning okay, I also had one document earlier. Let's see, now I have two separate. Or is created partially with dfk copy statistical key equal to s. We have just seen that the statistical key is s. Statistical, in the statistical document, if I go to the collective bill, here it will have s. Okay, and what else? The posting item for this collective bill document have clearing restriction 7. We have just seen clearing restriction payment data 7. This is 685 first collective document, and I'll show the second one also. This is 687 second collective document. So this one has s, and here also it has 7, clearing restriction 7. Okay, then the posting items can only be paid after you have executed the invoicing function create collective invoice. This part is left. Okay, also here you will see it will not go to fi because it is just for, although it has posted, but it will not go to fi. Why? So it was mentioned that posting and accounting purpose, that is it is posted, but you will see it doesn't have a gl account. Okay, that's why the 2610 2611 config was not needed. Neither it has a gl account nor it has a recon key which will be needed to send the document to GL. Okay, so it has taken the zero CBI. No, that was, what was that? Was it zero CBI or something else? I came out. Hold on. What was the posting document reference? Convergent invoicing document, posting document. Here it was okay. Zero COL. It was not as. This is something else. Do I have zero CBI also? Zeros. Oh, okay. Updated collective document. I have to configure against this reference. Zero CBI. There are zero CBI, also zero COL. This is collective bill document. This is updated collective bill document. Okay. I should have done for zero CBI. Then I would have got uh, the document type. Okay. Anyways, you can try when you configure it. You try with zero CBI against your invoicing process. Okay. So anyway, so this will not go to fi. The individual ones will go to the fi. Okay, up to here it is done. Now what is the next step? Create invoicing order. So this will create invoicing order in dfkk inv underscore treat table. Okay, this is a table where the billable items, the uh, the items which are billed but not yet invoiced. Okay, each billing document creates a invoicing order. That is the source document for invoicing. So it creates an invoicing order. So let me open this table slash o ac16n. Okay, invoicing request, so here if I search for my ca or my bp 365. Okay, so if I execute, you will see it will show this invbi. These are all items which are billed but not invoiced. Okay, these Okay, sub I have not shown yet. So these are all these are our billing document. Source document means a billing document which are billed but not yet invoiced. Okay. uh, this will be I'll show this one in the master agreement. Okay, somebody has created. So here, um, document category, these two will be generated, these are generated, and these I have to invoice. Okay, these are generated during uh, children documents, children's invoicing, and along with that these two source document numbers is 685 and 687. These are 685 and 687, these are the two collective invoicing document were generated during um, during child's billing. Okay, so here the next step is mentioned that in the invoicing order call B, the order the invoicing source document is call B. Okay, refer to these two documents only. Here it is mentioned invoicing order call B. So two invoicing orders are there, 685 and 687. Now collective bill item type zero call bill, and we have to invoice the collective bill. Okay, that is, this invoicing order has to be invoiced. This is the additional step that for parent we have to do. So it is saying that input data for collective invoice, you enter the invoicing order of source document call bill for the collective invoicing process. These were already created by normal invoicing process for individual accounts. Okay, these are already done, already generated during children's invoicing. Execute processing of collective bill. Now I will run the collective bill. I'll run the invoicing of the collective bill. So how to run that invoicing for these two? So I'll run it from fkk bix underscore s single uh, fkk inv underscore s, sorry, fkk inv underscore s single invoice screen. Okay, so here um, one of them is having 16.2 because one of them has 16.2 as the invoicing from. So I'll put 16 to up to 16.2 in this bp 365. I want to run invoicing in this invoicing process. So execute. So I want to run the parent, run the, I mean the parents invoicing. Okay, so select the parent only. This one this one already has some billed but not invoiced item. This one already had some bill but not invoiced. I want this one only. Okay, so select the parent, click on the green tick. Okay, due by, you can enter this date also, or you can put due by 31st 12 9999, because here only collective bill, only one, only two collective invoices are there. So click on the green tick, and these are the two collective invoices I want to invoice. So 3685 and 687, and these are the individual amounts we validate. Okay, these are fine, these two I want to invoice. So then you invoice, green tick. So we can have two separate invoicing, and we can all do all together. Okay, since the source documents are two separate, I'll create invoicing unit 1 and 2 separate. I'm not adding them together. Okay, all in, currently it is all individually, you can do all together, then it will have one invoicing unit. Okay, I'll go all individually. Okay, one, I'll here for one and here for two, then click on the green tick. Now it will create the invoicing document. Okay, click on the invoicing document. So two separate invoicing document is generated. One for one is parent, but this is for the first Jasprit Bumrah. This is for the one CA. I don't see the child CA here now. Okay. Anyways, from amount I can see this is for 119. That means only Jasprit Bumrah, and the next one is 84 for Jasprit Bumrah 2. Okay. So let me open anyone. Say this one I'll open here. You'll not see a posting document. Okay, because again it will not post to the parent, it will post only for the CA. Now here you can have you can have a separate, what do I say, a separate um, invoicing, separate print, I mean bill form you can assign here. Okay, so I did one mistake. The mistake is I want the clubbed invoice, so I should have done in all together. Okay, the problem is if I don't do all together, the thing is if I go to simulate, I can see one CS information here. So this is showing me only one CS information. Next page, this is showing me only 615 CS information. Two separate invoices I have generated. So one invoice with 615 and the other invoice will have the 300 information. If I clubbed them, there would have been one invoice which will have both 615 and 300. Okay, so here you'll see since I have done individually. So in the next tab, it says this is for CA number 300, and in the other invoice it was saying that this is for CA number 615. I should have clubbed them together. Okay, let me do one thing. Let me reverse the two invoices and I'll club them together. So the edit document is grayed out here. 62 and 63 slash n fkkinv underscore rev inv rev underscore m. What is the T code of? Okay, one by one I'll do fkkinv disp underscore inv doc underscore disp. So collective bill. Okay, 365 business partner execute 62 reverse. It was posted on 18th. I cannot reverse before 16th. So this is retroactive clearing not allowed. Okay, so reverse 16 to this is reversed. Next one is 63. This is the posting date. Edit reverse posting date customer complaint. Okay, both individual ones I have reversed. Now I'll go back to dfk canv underscore trig here. Refresh. These are restored back. Okay, ideally these were invoiced. Now the moment I reverse it, these are restored back. Now again I'll invoice. This time I'll invoice them together. Okay, so 365 execute for head office, execute due by both item, select all. Okay, for what's wrong, locked. Trig, I'll close. Counter account display. Okay, change invoicing document. This one is causing the issue. Anywhere display, display, display. Now let me try again. Slash n fkkinv underscore s 365. The dates are 16th of February. Execute Jasprit Bumrah, green tick, due by, green tick, all together. Okay, all together. Execute. Click on yes. Now the invoicing is posted. Here you will see the total 203.70. That is the summation of these two. 203.70. Now here, if you preview this, if you simulate this, now here I will see both. The head office can see the information for both. So this is the total. Go to the second page. Now here So in the first page, it will show the first invoices information 31, 31, 31.5, 31.5, and discount of minus 6.30. For the second CA, it will show 21, 21, no discount here. And here, individual invoices for collective bill. Here, both the CA's information are being printed here. Okay. So my individual billing did not show this, but although both are sent, now here one single invoice will be sent to the head office showing the this is your branch's consumption, first branch, second first child, second child. Okay. So and the collective CR7 will be removed now. If I try to open the invoice slash o fkk pix bit underscore mon. Oh, I have the invoice number now, fkk inv doc underscore disp. Here I had the collective. So this one, if you open 61, this is the original invoice. Okay. Initial invoice. So I go to the posting document. Here I had 687, which had the collective, which had the CR7. Now it is removed. Removed from 687. Also, it will be removed from 685 also. Okay. For 685, this one was the invoicing document. So enter the invoicing document, execute, open 685, double click, payment data. These are gone. Okay. So the last step, it will remove the clearing restrictions. This is mentioned here, delete clearing restriction. Okay. So here it talks about the execute the process of collective billing. It will remove the clearing restriction. And it is also mentioned that maximum 500 individual documents can be added in the collective bill, and this event is given 2225. This will be enhanced if you want to enhance anything. Delete clearing restriction, the FICA documents are deleted. The posting items can now be paid because invoicing function create collective billing document has been run. And for the printing, you can do this kind of printing together. Okay, so we'll stop here. We'll continue with something else tomorrow. Thank you. We're already on the top of the time. See you tomorrow.
Thank you.